So welcome everybody. First of all, welcome back to the session. I believe last weekend you have, I believe we have a rest last weekend. I believe you enjoyed. Now, what agenda we have it for today? Let's get started. Okay. Before coming into that point, let me open a text file where I will write down the pointers for you. Uh, Let me know once my this is visible for you. Is it visible? Tell me. Visible?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool. Now again, just see my screen. Let me some increase the text. Fine. Agenda for today. Let me write agenda. Okay, agenda for today. Agenda for today is nothing but you aware about today we are about to start the machine learning concept. And today we have a first class of a machine learning. In machine learning, what it is, why we use from scratch, from point zero, we will start the things and we will reach to the mastery level, the multiple things in machine learning we'll talk about. But what exactly the pointers, the concept we will talk about, I can write it over here for you. A sec. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Now, first of all, we will talk about introduction to machine learning, introduction to ML. Second concept we'll talk about that is nothing but types of variables. Types of variables. Let me write over here, then I'll explain these things. Encoding and normalization, and then standardization. Okay, spelling I'll fix it. Okay, types of ML, and a model linear regression. These things we'll talk about today. Okay, multiple things we have it for today to discuss. Let me increase it. Hmm. I believe you can see it now. Okay, so three, four, five, six, seven. All over seven concepts we will talk about today. What it is, each and everything we'll discuss. Okay. Now I believe you are aware about, everybody is aware about in the session. We are starting machine learning today onwards and the first session. Now I will open a Google Colab. Over there we will write and understand the things in a better way. Now I'll copy these things na, rather than writing it over here. Come here and let me share that with you. Now let me open a Google Colab for you. Google Colab. I believe people are aware about Google Colab, right? You didn't forget it. Google Colab is an online platform where we usually write the code. New notebook I will open here. Okay, it's opening. Oh, come on. Okay, this has been open now. I will put down the file name. It's machine learning, SkillzRevo. Okay, that's it. This is a file name. Now, what it is, each and everything, I've written it down over here, things for you. Now understand this. Now everybody, listen to me carefully and see the screen. Things will be understandable. Now, first of all, I wanted to will discuss this introduction to machine learning. Again, not into the theoretical manner. I will explain you each and everything. Now, I wanted to understand from you guys machine learning. The meaning of machine learning is what, first of all? Listen to me carefully. Machine learning is nothing but the name is suggesting already. The machine means a computer. Huh? Machine means a computer, isn't it? Machine means a computer. Learning means computer is learning. Simple terms, right? Machine means computer. Learning means it is learning. Like a manner, you all are learning, right? And your brain is just like a computer. Understand in this manner, okay? Now, now, how you learn, people tell me, how you learn, Vijay and all the people, how you learn generally, right? To learn something, you will tell me, guys, you learn something when you want to learn something, how you will How you will learn? Because of data, right? Because of YouTube video, because of me, because of movies, because of books. Are you getting my point? What it is? It is a data for your mind. Agree? Agree in this part? Tell me.
Right.
Right? The same thing. The same thing. So, sir, you are trying to say machine just like a human brain. Understand for now? Yes, in this manner only. Okay, let me come to that part. Uh, the machine just like a brain, but actually it's a meaning of a computer. It's a meaning of a computer. Fine. Now, sir, we understood that apart. That means you are trying to say machine learning is nothing but just simply like a human brain. Human brain, if you want to learn something, you need a data. You need a practice. Similarly, computer. We are talking about some machine learning. That means we are talking about computer is learning. Computer is learning. Computer means a machine. Computer means a machine. We all have a computer. Now, all our machines are learning nowadays. But sir, I got a point. That means that you are explaining this some theoretical concept in this manner. But sir, I want you to understand some more uh, realistic way, huh? Some more application in manner. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Vijay, how old you are? Tell me.
Hello. Yeah, 48.
How 28 you say, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you are 28, so there probably you generally watch movies on Netflix, Amazon Prime, and so many platforms, right?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes
Also, I'm using Alexa, so it is
Alexa
also
also.
part of my.
Correct, correct, correct. So Alexa, maybe you are using, but some people won't be used. That's why I'm not taking an example for that, but I'll come to that part also. So I'm telling you, you are using what I can say Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube videos also. When you watch a movie or when you watch a particular video on a YouTube, generally after a minute you get some recommended movies or recommended videos on YouTube, right?
Right.
The meaning of a recommendation, right? But before that recommendation, tell me that recommendation if you're searching a movie on YouTube and at the same time Wasim is searching a movie on YouTube or video on a YouTube, will it be different or same? Hmm? Huh? Will it be different or same?
Different.
It will be different. Why? Because I'll tell you. Because you all have a mobile in your phone. Each and every mobile having a different Gmail account, right? That Gmail account, whether you know, whether you don't know, they are collecting your data. You are searching something. Hello, Subir.
Yeah, hi. So sorry to interrupt you. I will just take
No
only
worries.
2 minutes. This is
Yes,
very
yes. Go
important.
ahead. Go ahead.
Then you can continue. So
Yeah,
sorry
yeah.
for that.
No worries.
So hi everyone. Good evening and welcome to machine learning class for our new batch. And just wanted to ask each and everyone that tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. Bhushan will take a special session. I mean, not apart from this regular session, which is at around 10 o'clock. Bhushan would conduct a session regarding the LMS part. So, in case you guys have any issue for the navigation of the LMS or any other issue, you guys can join for a 30-minute session. In case you are not able to join, the class would be recorded so that you can watch the recording so that at least that would not impact your learning pedagogy. So the both the way will be sharing one from Google Drive also, plus on top of that we'll be also sharing by this one what I call the LMS. So LMS journey, Bhushan will take care of yours tomorrow. So Bhushan, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. IST, you share the link. Post the session, he will share you the link. This is a special class which will be conducted by only Bhushan for 30 minutes. All right. I hope we are on the same page. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right. Cool. Fair enough. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. And yes, Mr. Uttam, you can continue.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Subir. Thank you.
Welcome. And by the way, 1 second, Uttam is
Yeah,
a
yeah.
very, very humble trainer. You cannot, I haven't seen a lot of trainer, but I haven't seen a trainer like Uttam. To be very frank and precise. Got it? So please take the advantage of Mr. Uttam always.
Thank you,
Yes, sir.
Subir. Thank you.
Sure, sure then. Thank you.
Okay, let's get started. So we are talking about machine learning. As I mentioned, machine again, before coming into that more in detail machine learning, I want to tell you one thing. Whenever we're talking about machine learning, always stick to the name. One more time. Always stick to the name. Stick to the name means machine is saying something. So you do not remember anything. Just understand the thing. Do not remember anything. Machine means just like a computer. We all have in a mobile phone. Our mobile phone is smart enough, right? Our YouTube is smart enough. That means we have a device in our hand that is a machine, and machine is learning. Because of learning, that is able to recommend a movie to us, right? If you didn't try that one more thing. When you purchase something, when you go to Amazon, when you go to Flipkart or any another shopping portal, when you search something, after some time, maybe half an hour, 10 minutes, 1 hour, you will get a similar advertisement. Not only that platform, to your YouTube channel, to your Facebook, to your Instagram, and any other platforms. Agree with me? That is happening because of machine learning. Are you getting upon what I'm trying to say? Right? Everyone? The meaning of machine learning actually in the real world. Now, one more thing. So, sir, we understood machine learning is nothing but a computer is learning. Huh? Learning. But from where computer is learning, I'm writing over here. From where machine is learning, machine is learning because of data, simply because of data. Data is nothing but your data. You can take an example now. When you go to YouTube, when you go to Facebook, Instagram, it is free for all us. Tell me. YouTube is free for all of us, na? Facebook is free for all of us. Instagram is free for all of us. Are you paying something to the company? Tell me.
No, sir, it's
It is free. It is free. Then it is a billion-dollar company, not a million. It's a billion-dollar company. Facebook is free for all. It's a billion-dollar company. How and why? You know that. You know that. You are using a Facebook. You are spending your 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hour, whatever. That time, that time, they are selling a product to you and their customers. Right? That is why this is a billion-dollar company because of advertisement and so many products also. Right? So what I'm trying to say, the say here is that they are collecting your data. One more time. They are collecting your data. Hmm? I'll give you one more example of a beautiful machine learning, right? Do you know Chat GPT? Tell me. Huh? Have you
yes.
heard about Chat GPT? Yes. So Chat GPT is a tool. You know that. It's a tool simply. It's a AI tool. Whatever you ask from the Chat GPT, it will give you the answer. Very simple and easy, man, right? But do you know when this company Chat GPT, the company name is OpenAI actually, OpenAI. When this organization, uh, what I can say, establish somewhere around 2013, 14, somewhere, right? We'll go to Google. Okay, just go to Google. Just say when OpenAI established or started. Just say like this started. 2015. 2015 it started. But when, just ask like this, when Chat GPT launched, just ask this, 2022 it is launched, isn't it? Initial release was 30th November 2022. The company started 2015, but this only single product from OpenAI come from 2022. It took 7 years for only one single product. Is it? Yes. Why? I'll tell you. Chat GPT, it's nothing but a simple a tool. Huh? This only tool is trained upon huge amount of data, huge amount of your data. Hmm? Your data. That is, if you ask something to Chat GPT, it will give you the correct result. Why? Because Chat GPT is trained already a huge amount of data. Huge means not a billion, it's a zeta amount of a billion amount of data, right? Huge amount of data. You can understand like that. Entire internet. Understand one more time. How Chat GPT learned. Entire internet, Chat GPT has learned 1,000 times. Understand like this. Entire internet has lots of information. And entire internet has been learned by ChatGPT 1,000 times. How strong it is learned, isn't? That is why it is capable to give you all the answers. Are you getting a point? This is a machine learning. Getting my point? Because of our data, you are using ChatGPT. You are using machine learning. So, sir, you are trying to say ChatGPT, it's nothing but is a part of machine learning. You would say yes. You would say yes. Why? I will tell you. ChatGPT, it's nothing but advanced machine learning. Advanced machine learning, right? The advanced machine learning called it as a deep learning. Are you getting my point so far, everybody? Yes, tell me. Got the point so far? Hmm? Did we understood these things? Hmm? Now. If we were to understood these things, now, sir, we understand what is machine learning. We understood how machine learning, the applications of machine learning in the real world we are using. But sir, I wanted to understand more in detail. But because interviewer will not ask you these things, right? In the organization, when you start working somewhere, these questions will not be helpful for you, right? So what I have to understand with respect to machine learning, I will tell you that part now. Come here. So simply understand machine learning is nothing but where, in simple terms, if someone asks you what is machine learning, do not mention, do not say what I can say, a theoretical definition. Don't say definition, standard definition. Don't say about it. Just understand the concept. No need to memorize it. So where machine learns and works automatically, or works, you can say, works smartly. Hmm? Works smartly based on scenario, based on condition or scenario. That is something. Come to next line. Hmm? Understood? This is called the machine learning, where machine learns and works smartly based on the condition on scenario. That is simpler meaning of a machine learning. Is it, guys? Tell me. Hmm? Tell me. Understood what is machine learning now, guys? And the applications of machine learning related to real world. Everyone, tell me. Hmm? Okay, fine. Now, sir, let's move ahead. So we understood the machine learning. So what about introduction to machine learning? Let's come to that part. So we understood machine learning. Now machine learning has a multiple types, first of all. Come here. I'll write over here. Types of machine learning. I will show you the presentation also. Don't worry about it. Okay. Types of machine learning. First of all, machine learning has a multiple types. Okay. Multiple means people used to say three, four, five. But in general, most importantly, there are three types of machine learning. Okay. First type is nothing but supervised machine learning. Second one is nothing but unsupervised. Supervised machine learning. Third one is nothing but reinforcement. Reinforcement machine learning, right? What is this? I'll tell you that about. Three types of machine learning we have. So why do we need these three types of machine learning? First of all, understand this, right? Why do we need these three types of machine learning? Huh? Why do we need it? Because sometimes supervised machine learning is sufficient to solve a problem. That means what I'm trying to say, a one single machine learning cannot solve all the types of problem. Why? Because of that, they have categorized it. Supervised machine learning solve different types of problem. Different types of problem means what, sir? I will tell you. Different types of problem means, take an example of a recommendation. Recommending a YouTube video to you, right? At the same time, recommending a movie on Netflix to you. That is a one type of problem. At the same time, at the same time, email classification. You know that email classification, right? Email classification, you know that, huh? Where you get a email in a mobile, you get a in a mobile, in a laptop, you got the multiple, what I can say, emails, and in email there are multiple partition. You know that, guys? There are multiple partition in email. Do you know that? Huh? Partition means what? There is a inbox folder, another is a spam folder, update folder, and so many folders are there. Agree with me, right? There are different types of problem machine learning can solve. We'll talk about that problem later on in detail. Now, just simply understand there are three types of machine learning. Supervised machine learning. What is supervised? I will tell you. Supervised means which uses data. Not this is a user uses labeled data. Labeled data. What is labeled data? I will tell you very easy. Huh? What is unsupervised learning? Unsupervised learning is nothing but uses unlabeled data. Very easy. And this is reinforcement learning is nothing but which uses both type of a data. Now, what is supervised? We'll discuss this thing in detail more. What is unsupervised? We'll discuss this. But before, let's talk about reinforcement learning. What is reinforcement learning? I will tell you. I'll give you an example. You will understand what is reinforcement learning. Have you heard about a Tesla car? Hmm? Tell me. Tesla car? Anybody?
Yeah, we have learned.
Tell me. What is Tesla car? What's the why people purchase it?
It is an automatic car, first of
It's a
all.
automation car, right? That means we don't need a driver to drive a car, right? So Tesla car is a purely reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning means reinforcement learning means car or a machine will do the job automatically. Take an example. Take an example. Whenever the owner of a Tesla is what? Elon was building a Tesla. Do you know that? Before launching a car, they have developed a product. So not a product, sorry, a model. That model is nothing but reinforcement learning model. That model is working something like that. Whenever a car, whenever a car is driving or running on a road, suddenly a human comes in front of a car, it will it will break it, right? So at that time, at that error, that mistake, machine will learn, okay, if next time a person will come in front of my car, I have to stop. Okay. This is a learning of a model. This is a learning of a reinforcement learning. Next time they are driving on a car on a road again, suddenly at that time a truck comes. They will again, break it, hmm? Collapse it. That this error, this mistake, again, again, car is learning. Okay, if next time a truck will come, I have to take a break. What I'm trying to say, reinforcement learning is nothing but kind of a model, kind of a machine learning, where it will learn automatically based in the error. It will do the error, it will do the mistake, then learn it. Do the mistake, learn it. Do the mistake, learn it. Right? Are you getting my point? That is why Tesla is not a car will, come, they have started a company, they have launched a car. No, it took a years. Why? Because they are developing the product. They are developing a model. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say, people? Yeah, reinforcement learning. I'll show you the images also. Come here, come here. Reinforcement learning. Come show some images. I'll show you some images. Can you see this like that way? What I can say. See this one. See, there is a baby. You know that there is a baby. Hmm? Whenever new baby in a house, okay, maybe you cannot see it. Huh? Whenever a new baby you have in a new baby now in your home, how the baby works, right? First time you are showing them showing him a milk, he will not pick up. Hmm? Will not pick up. But that process, if you do 5 times, 10 times, or 1 month, next time when you come it will automatically say, I need a milk. Are you getting one? See this image. I hope you're getting it. Written down over there also. Reinforcement learning is a machine learning paradigm that focuses on how agent learn. Agent means a product. In this case, we have a product is a child. Okay, learns to interact with an environment to maximize the cumulative reward. Okay, are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say, people? The reinforcement learning, everybody. Yes,
Can you repeat this once again, this point?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Wait, let me take a one more image here if I found it. If you found it, see this. See this. This is reinforcement learning. See this first of all image. What you're understanding? Hmm? Three scenarios we have. Hmm? Everybody, see this image. What you're understanding? This image. Tell me.
So first time, like machine did mistake,
That means first time
and
there is a water, there is a environment, there is a fire. Machine learning will not understand that what does it mean. Huh? And next time they move there, right? Without water. Can you see this? Second one, without water. Without water, they cannot, blow the fire, right? There is a minus 50 point. Minus 50 point means this is the penalty, right? In the technical term, they used to say it's a penalty. Hmm? If they do a good job, if next time this robot or this agent will go there to the fire with the water and blow that, at that time that will be a reward for it, right? That means each and every time they do a mistake, they learn from it. Okay, next time I have to go with the water. Next time I have, if there is a fire, I have to go with the water. Otherwise, it will not work. Are you getting my point? This is the reinforcement learning, right? Hmm. What about rest people, right? Everyone. Now, this is how reinforcement learning works. Take an action like this way, na? See, this one also. Hmm? This is you. Huh? This is you. Huh? This is you. And this is a what? This is a dog. You bring a dog at your home. Hmm? From the day one, it will learn. You are throwing this kind of a ball or something. This dog will go there to bring a ball for you. No, one day it will not. But you have to train this dog. If I'm throwing a stick, if I'm throwing a ball, you have to pick this and give it to me. That's an action, reward, and observation. That means first time it will observe. Okay, you are throwing this. I have to pick up. If you are picking up, if the dog is picking up, you are giving a food. You are giving a milk to the dog. Are you getting a point? How reinforcement learning works, everybody? Tell me. Yes? Okay. Okay, cool. Now, so we able to understand what is the reinforcement learning, how it works. Now understand the supervised learning. Very easy. It is very easy. Supervised learning is nothing but uses a labeled data. So what is a labeled data? I will tell you. Very easy. Very easy. Come here. Labeled data and unlabeled data. See, this is this. Can you see this? See this image. Tell me what is the difference between label and unlabeled data. Tell me, everybody. What is the difference? Everyone.
label is assigned to the object in
Correct. See,
labeled
this
data.
is
Right?
this is a dog. Written down. This is a dog. Written down. This is a cat. Right? Oh,
So classification based on some parameters.
parameters. At that time, if you're passing, for example, if you're passing this image to a model, and you are passing a data also. Data means this name. This name is a label. Machine learning model will able to understand this in a better way. So this is called a labeled data, where you have a data. In the data you have written down whether it's a name or it's a weight. It can be anything. Take an example of yours. Your name is maybe Satadul, right? Your name is Satadul. So the Satadul, it's a name. It's a label of yours, isn't it? Similarly, if the name is not there, if a weight is not there, this is unlabeled data, isn't it? Similarly, come here. come here. Can you see this? Supervised machine learning is nothing but which uses a labeled data, and unsupervised is nothing but which uses a unlabeled data. Is it easy to understand both the things, everybody? Tell me, what is labeled and unlabeled data? Very easy. Fine. Great. Now, now, so are we able to understand what is supervised learning, unsupervised and reinforcement learning? That means we're able to understand what is machine learning, the types of machine learning, how the types of machine learning or machine learning works, and the applications of machine learning we talked about.
Thanks for watching the video. Our knowledge partners, certification alliances and curriculum creators are: join our popular courses and get an immersive learning experience as we proudly serve as a global trailblazing training solutions provider, dealing with grinding a revolution in upskilling by offering comprehensive and specialized training programs. Following are our services: instructor-led virtual training, on-site training, corporate training, exclusive and individual training, self-paced training, classroom training, customized training, campus training. To know more about our courses, visit our website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video.